Divide 648 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 4 and it is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. On subtracting we get J. So again we put down this 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. On subtracting we get J. So 648 divided by 4 is 162. So this much for today and thanks for watching.